Okay, guys, I'm about to make the hole uh, to install my fog light on this inner piece on the front bumper. Guys, what I'm gonna do, right? Seeing that the aftermarket bumper inner piece don't have the hole to install the fog light. So what I'm gonna do is I will make my own holes. Okay, guys. So I'll just show you guys real quick what I'm gonna do to put my install my fog lights. All right, guys. I don't know if you guys seeing pretty good. It's very sunny out here. I'm at my yard, my drop lot. Um, just trying to get the best lighting so you guys could see what I'm actually doing. Okay. Right here is where I'll put my hole to install my fog lights. So hold on, real tight. All right, guys, this is what I'm gonna do. Just make sure when you put in the hole that it's pretty straight and lined up. So when you do put the hole inside, your fog lights don't look crooked, guys. So, yep, that's what I'm gonna do right there. Make sure this is perfect. Guys, I wasn't expecting to have to do this right here. I actually think that the bumper would actually come with the holes already cut. So all I had was to do is just install the fog lights. So guys, it's just kind of hard to see at the bottom, so I'm just trying to do it, make my lines the best I can. You know, it's kind of difficult, but I'll get it done. Also got to make holes to install my bolts. I didn't know why they didn't make pre-drill holes. This make a little more sense. I hope you guys could see what I'm doing. Let me adjust this camera real quick. So. All right, guys, time for me to drill my holes. Hopefully everything is lined up right.